Are you tired of low-quality content on the X app? If your answer is yes, watch the tutorial to the end to change that. Let's begin. Open the X app on your phone. Access your profile by clicking on the profile icon in the top left corner. Then click on the arrow next to the Settings and Support field. Among the options that appear, click on Settings and Privacy. Find and open the Notifications section. Content quality settings are adjusted through the Filters section. Open it by clicking on it. Here you choose which notifications you want to see and which ones you don't. We'll focus on the quality filter, which filters out lower quality content you receive via notifications. Note that this function does not apply to notifications from people you follow and interact with. If you want to learn more about this topic, click on Learn More. Everything is explained and described there in detail. Now, let's get back on topic. To improve the quality of content you receive, you need to toggle the button next to it. And that's all you need to do if you want to improve the quality of the content you follow. If the tutorial was helpful, like and comment on it. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more digital updates.